Here we go. We have a question parenthesis checker. So you have given an expression string. We need to examine whether the pairs and the orders of these parentheses. There are three different types of parentheses. One is curly braces, another one is round braces, and third one is a box uh, parenthesis. So we need to check whether the pairs are in the correct order. So for example, this function returns true for this test case and false for this test case, because first we have this box, then we have round opening, so then we have box closing, but we need the corresponding box opening, but we have a round opening, so that's why we have a false for this. In this we have box, then circle open, then circle close, then box close, so this is valid. Then we have curly open, then curly close, then we have curly open, then box open, then round open, round close, then round open, round close, then box close. So this string is valid, but we have this left. Then we have a round open, round close, then we have curly close. So this curly close is the this brace. So we have this as true. So that's about this question. Let's build the approach. So let me tell you, this question is a pretty common question based on stack data structure. So we need to use stack. First we have curly open. So I will push this. Then we have round open. So I will push this. Then we have round close. We don't push the closing brace. We just need to check the corresponding opening brace. So this is a round. We need round opening. Yes, on the top we have round opening. So we will pop out and it will match with this. So after matching, then we have this character. This is curly close, so we need the corresponding curly open. Yes, we have. So this will match with this. So after this we have no character left, and our stack is also empty, means there are no extra characters. So in this case it is true. Let's build for second test case. First we have round open. Yes, we have round open. Then we have box closing, but we need box opening. Here we have something else, so this will not match up with this, so we just need to return false directly. We don't need to check further. So that's about it. Let's build for third test case. First we have round open, so I will push round open. Then we have round close. We need the corresponding round opening. Yes, we have the corresponding round opening, so it will match up with this, and we will just use this and pop out the current element. Then we have curly opening, so I will push the opening brace. Next we are exhausted with our characters, and our stack is not empty. There are some characters left, means there are some extra openings there that will not match with any other closing, so we will need to return false. So false for this. That's about it. Whenever there is a open brace, we will directly push, and whenever there is a closing brace, we need to check whether the topmost element is the corresponding opening. If it is, then we will move forward, else we will directly return false from that. So let's code this. First we have a stack, then we need to iterate for all the characters. This is the current character. If this is a opening brace, we will just push this current character and continue. We don't go further. At this point there's a closing brace. So there's a closing brace. If we don't have any open brace, means our stack is empty. This closing brace will not match up with any opening brace, so we will directly return false if our stack is empty. Else we need to check if this is a closing brace, then topmost element is opening brace, then only we will pop out the element and move forward. Else we have something else, so we will directly return false from this point. Same goes for round brace. If there is a round closing, we need round opening. If there's something else, we will return false. Same applies for the curly brace. If this is the closing brace, we need the opening corresponding brace. If it is, then we will move forward, else we will return false. So after iterating between all the characters, if our stack becomes empty, means every single closing brace will matched with the opening brace. If this is the case, we need to return true. If our stack is not empty, means there are some opening braces left, so we will need to return false. For this case, let's submit this and let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, we are iterating only once, so the time complexity is order of n, and for the space complexity, we are using stack. So space is order of n in the worst case. And we have successfully solved this question, and we have also met the expected time and space complexity. Code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching.